U.S. stocks ended lower on Tuesday, with the Dow dropping for a ninth straight session as investors showed caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's last policy meeting of the year. The Dow shed 0.6%, the S&P 500 lost 0.4%, and the Nasdaq dipped about 0.3%. Markets are pricing in a quarter-point interest rate cut from the central bank at the conclusion of its two-day policy meeting on Wednesday. Investors will also be looking for any signs from Chair Jerome Powell on how aggressive the Fed will be in cutting rates in 2025. Jimmy Lee is CEO of the Wealth Consulting Group.
I think the Fed's going to cut. Obviously, that's where the market is right now, that they're going to cut tomorrow. But I think it's a coin flip on a pause in January. And I think, again, as they've been saying this whole time, Powell's been saying how data dependent they are. It'll really depend on the reports that come out between now and the decision to make in January. But tomorrow, I'm fairly certain that the Fed will cut. If they didn't, it'd be a huge surprise to the marketplace. And I think that a lot of investors would potentially use that as an opportunity to create some selling and some opportunities for volatility.
Data on Tuesday showed U.S. retail sales increased more than expected in November, consistent with the economy's strong underlying momentum. Stocks on the move Tuesday included Tesla, up more than 3.5% after at least two brokerages hiked their price targets on the stock this week. Pfizer jumped more than 4.5% after the drug maker forecast 2025 profit roughly in line with Wall Street expectations. And it was another record day for Bitcoin, which briefly crossed $108,000 for the first time.